Hi there, I'm Alan Badgley for Encountering Innovation 2024. We're inviting you as a manufacturer, advanced manufacturer, or even technology innovator from the past to join us this year virtually for our matchmaking event. This is our fourth year to do matchmaking. We've been seeking out manufacturing and advanced manufacturing that may be looking for technology innovation. We've been doing this with our tech innovators as they pitch to the DoD Combatant Command Tech Scouts. This year we'll be at Wichita State University's Firepoint with our Defense Innovation On-Ramp Hub, Kansas, and our neighboring SBDC Statewide program partners from Texas North and all around us. I almost forgot, we have retired small business specialist from NASA Johnson Space Center, Rick Slater.
Hello, and we're talking about how we're improving doing our matchmaking. Over the last 3 years, we came up with a different way of doing it, which really amounts to our sending out a questionnaire requesting information for you on some of your expertise. We put it together into a matrix, we send it out to everyone, and then you get to choose who you want to talk with from the small business community. Large prime contractors will also get to choose small businesses they would like to talk to.
Thanks, Rick. We want to see you there. Click on our encounteringinnovation.com, go to matchmaking and apply and register. We'll see you soon. Thanks a lot.